Part 3, Day 2 of the forest soda experiment. As you can see, we had some leaking. That's promising. A little more pressure today. Listen closely and let me know if you hear any fizzing happening. The yeast and sugar are starting to come alive, slowly building carbonation. Tomorrow, Day 3, is going to be our first taste test, so don't miss that. The last jar of soda is my favorite and currently the most active. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch the setup to see how we started this fizzy adventure. Enjoy the rest of the video.